In 2006, when I published An Inconvenient Truth, my purpose was to bring my slideshow to a much larger audience and to help educate people about the climate crisis and what we can do to solve it. Our choice picks up where An Inconvenient Truth left off. In the past 2 years, I have convened more than 30 solution summits with top scientists, policy experts, renewable energy providers, and engineers to examine the solutions to global warming. I've come away from these sessions with a renewed sense that we really can solve this problem and that we have all the knowledge and tools we need to get started now. What's necessary is the collective will to put those tools to work. Our choice will help you to become active as a citizen. It will explain the tools and technologies that are available and help you advocate for the new laws and treaties that will ultimately solve this crisis. Every crisis also brings opportunity. The climate crisis is the most threatening challenge to the future of civilization we've ever confronted, but it also brings us the greatest opportunity for positive change we've ever seen. It gives us a chance to begin a new era in human history, one in which we finally realize that our fate now depends on effective, cooperative global measures to save the habitability of the earth, and in the process build the foundation for a more just, humane, and prosperous world. I hope you enjoy the book and will be inspired as I am to take bold action to solve the climate crisis.